I want to show you today how easy it is to analyze a received file with data. How often does it happen as a business analyst or controller or anybody in a company when you receive an Excel file with a question to analyze it, to have a look at it, to tell them where it's coming from? Again, it's very easy with Analytics Cloud. I just take the file, I drag it in here, and the system will analyze for me which dimensions are in there, which measures are in there. And for example, I can open up the Excel file and I will notice that it takes longer to open up the Excel and to start analyzing my file than just have Analytics Cloud do that for me. So the Excel is opening up. You will see that it's not a small file. It is a file with all the recruitments we've done over the last few years, by country, by position, and so on, allowing me to get a full-on view on who have I recruited, where have I recruited those people, and what gave me the best chance of recruiting those people. So let me go back to Analytics Cloud. Analytics Cloud has opened up the file, and now it's very easy for me to start actually analyzing this. I want to look at the hires, for example. I see immediately that I have 935 hires. I want to show all the dimensions in the file, allowing me to, for example, see, okay, by country, who did I hire, who did I hire in Brazil. Again, it's very easy to filter, very easy to analyze. Now, for example, I want to see this in time, so let's go for the time dimension. I just click on time. I can see it all, and of course here now I can start drilling down and see how much I have by month, by year, and so on. Once I'm happy with this, very easy, copy it into a page, and I can continue building my dashboard. I can even add something like an automated forecast, which will allow the system to predict how many people we'll have or will hire in the next period, based, of course, on the historical information available. See it like this. Now I want to go farther than that. I want smart functionalities, search to insight, for example. Instead of having to think how to visualize something, I can just type a question and the system will look over all the data in the system and show me what he can do. For example, show me hires in time. As easy as this. Just by clicking, he will auto-generate the graph. For 2017, for example, I want to see how many people I hired in 2017. Easy. If now I want to ask another question and want to say, for example, show me hires by days to start. I want to know how many people are going to start when or how many days it takes before they start. Just as easy as that. I click it and I can see an easy graph. I can again copy it into my page. And for example, I now want to see my hires by country. Show hires by country. Just as this, I can make the graph. I can copy it in my page. And you will see that I'm building, in a very easy way, a full-on dashboard. And again, I might want to add some simple things on this, like a sorting, highest to lowest, for example. I want to add maybe a very easy filter, like a filter on, let's see what we have. Let's say job classification, for example. All members. Just as easy as that, I'm going to build my dashboard and it's going to allow me to make a selection and so on. Now, I can make it even more smart, and I can even make it smarter as that. I can add smart insights to any graph, giving me already some textual information, okay, on what deviations are there, or what are maybe the hidden things that I need to look at by just adding smart insights on my graph. So for example, we can see here that United States is the biggest contributor, but maybe there's something else I have to look at. So let's click on View More. And what I can immediately see here now is that the system will allow me to go farther, showing me, okay, what's actually contributing to these hires by country? Is it the agency that's important? Is it maybe the pay grade that's important? And just as easy as that, I again can add other graphs. Now, once I'm happy with this, it's very easy for me to save this all this file or this analysis that I've made and start sharing it with my colleagues. Just as this, I can open up, invite a participant. Let's take Jeremy in this case, for example. I just select Jeremy and I can send Jeremy a message, add him the story, and look at our recruitment. Easy, just as easy as this. Thanks for listening and discover more about SAP Analytics Cloud at sapanalytics.cloud, where you can actually also get very easily a 30-day free trial. Please enjoy. Bye.